Are you curious to know where your relationship is going? What will be the future of this relationship? We will check that today with the Romance Angels deck. Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are a subscriber, thank you for being here. And if you are watching me for the first time, then I hope you will like the video and subscribe for future videos. So we will see what is the situation in your relationship, where it is headed. With the beautiful Romance Angels deck. Chemistry, express your love, finances and career, and wedding. Well, you did get some very beautiful cards. Bottom of the deck, new love. So this could be a new relationship. You have met someone and you have started feeling for them. The cards say there's chemistry, there's a strong magnetic, there is a strong magnetic attraction between both of you. And as the bottom of the card said, this could be a new love. You have just met someone and they have stirred up feelings inside you, and you can feel the chemistry with them. Even though you have just started dating, it's something new, but the chemistry is very intense. The second card says express your love. So you should go ahead and make the romantic gesture. Maybe you want to tell them that you love them, but you have been holding back. So this is the time that you can go forward with that. So there is this card that says finances and career. Financial issues are a factor in your love life right now. Maybe you are worried about your finances, or you are just getting started in your career and you want to focus on that instead of your love life. So that is also fine. You can do both things. Like, you can have a love life and a career. Let's clarify that with one card. Okay. So even if finance and career bring some kind of pause within the connection, then this card says it's worth waiting for. Because the last card that we pulled out said wedding. So this is a connection that's meant to go long term. This could be the person of your dreams, the person that you want to spend your life with. So this situation involves marriage, and it is worth waiting for. So even when you express your love to the person, and maybe, like I said, this is a new love in your life, and you express your love, but the person says that I'm not financially stable enough to commit right now, then the universe is saying that this connection is worth waiting for. You can take it slow. You can work on yourself, and there is a pretty good chance that you will get married to this person in the near future, in the coming future. Yeah, so it's a really good connection. Let's check what the love angels say to that. And if this is not a new love, okay, you have been in relationship for a while, and because there are some financial constraints within the relationship which is not letting you move forward, which is holding you or your person back, then also the universe is saying that it's worth waiting for. Let divine timing work it all out for you. Be patient within the relationship and with each other, and things will work out for the better. This card says, actions speak louder than words. Redirect your thoughts. Overthinking. Bottom of the deck, engagement. Okay, so this could be regarding for those of you who are in a relationship. Could be new love or a current relationship that you are in. The angels say that actions speak louder than words. If you want to know what someone is feeling, watch what they are doing, not what they say. Okay? People can say anything, but the way they act says a lot about them. How much they care about you, how much they are concerned for you. Redirect your thoughts. Focus on what you want to attract within the relationship, not the fear of what will happen, because that will lead into overthinking. If you constantly fear that because of the financial constraints or something else, the relationship will not survive, if you are thinking like that, then it will take your mind in a loop. You'll just go on thinking about bad scenarios, the worst that can happen, and that's not a healthy place to be for you or for the relationship. So as this card says, playing negative scenarios in your head could be creating issues which weren't there at first. So be mindful of that. If that is happening, then stop overthinking. Think positive, that as the card says, they are very good cards. You have lots of love and chemistry with each other. And the bottom of deck said engagement. You have the engagement card. You have the wedding card. This card says your love life is soon ascending to a higher level of commitment. So the relationship will move forward positively. And the universe is asking you to keep a positive mindset. Don't go into the pessimistic side of thinking. Stay optimistic, stay positive, and things will turn out the way you want. Right? You can manifest anything in your life. And as always, do affirmations if you are feeling low or you need some mental clarity or something like that. You can just do affirmations. We will check a few more cards from this deck, Mystic Red Rose Oracle. So if you have been thinking negatively, stop doing that. Things will work out in your favor. Your negative thinking could affect your partner too. So it will affect the relationship. Be very mindful of that. Wedding rings. What more do you need? You are getting one confirmation after another that this relationship is meant to be. Don't worry. Don't become a runner in the relationship because of fear. Don't let the negative thoughts make you run away. You have to go towards your person, not away from them. One more. Go back to your person, don't run away. Go on a date, plan a date. We want one more confirmation. See the bottom of the deck. Soulmates. You have a soul contract with the person. This is your life partner, whoever is watching this. The person that you are with is meant to be your person. Don't run away from that. Beautiful cards for you. I'm so happy for you. Do you want to check a timeline? What do the time cards say? Yeah, I want to check it for you. Let's see. I am excited for you. Dear angels, can you give me a time frame when things will start getting better or will move forward for the person who is watching this? What do they say? It could happen tomorrow or very, very soon. So just be patient, stay there, stay in a positive state of mind. The more positive you stay, okay, the more positive you keep your mind, the faster you will get the result that you want, right? So those were some really beautiful cards for you, and I wish you all the best. Be positive, stay positive, and good things are coming your way, definitely. The universe is shouting this to you, okay? Don't doubt your person, don't doubt the relationship. It's all going to work out. If this reading resonates with you, do like and subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so you don't miss out on the different readings that I post every day. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.